Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to cook fish fry. It's really yummy and crunchy fish fry recipe. But before I proceed, please do like and subscribe to my channel. For this recipe we need fish fillet. I have used kingfish. I'm going to have pepper, salt to taste, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, vegetable oil to mix spices, madras curry powder I'm using it, white vinegar and soya sauce. Now what I have done is I have washed my fish and keep it ready. So make sure you wash, you clean and you keep it ready. And I'm going to use oil to mix all my spices for marination. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my oil, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon madras curry powder, and salt to taste and pepper to taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon each, and 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. This is to give a nice crispy color to it and taste, and 2 to 3 vinegar teaspoon. Just mix it up, make sure there's no lumps left. Mix it up really well, and then we are going to coat up our fish and leave it to marinate for at least half an hour. Just keep it aside. Look at that, this is just perfect. This is what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to take each fillet in my hands and start coating it up with all my spices. So one by one, coat it up all your fish. Perfect. And keep it aside for at least half an hour. Look at that, that's just perfect. My each and every piece of fish is marinated. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to heat my pan with vegetable oil. I'm using almost half cup of vegetable oil to fry, and I'm going to start adding up my fish fillet. Now make sure to keep your flame on high flame so that it doesn't get break. So start turning it around once in a while, gradually, once you feel that one side of your fish is ready. It smells really good. It smells heaven here. I can hear some crispiness and it's really yum. I can see it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it. See, it's cooked already. I'm going to let it get reddish a little bit, and I'm going to serve it in a plate with lemon. This is just perfect. You can eat it with rice or anything you like. I hope you like my recipe. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.